Hello friends, welcome to the third episode of our portrait tutorial series. In today's episode, we are going to draw this realistic looking hair. In the previous two episodes, we drew this complete face using simple techniques, and in today's video, we are going to draw this hair. So grab your tools and let's get started. So now let's start. As usual, grab an empty used pen and start adding some strokes in the hair's direction. Make sure to keep a paper below your hand so that you can prevent smudging. There are many techniques by which you can draw hairs, but my favorite personal one is indentation technique because it makes easier in shading, and also you don't need to use any professional tools like Mono Zero Eraser to make highlights. So add strokes as I am adding. It is a very nice technique. The only drawback of this technique is that you can't erase the indentation lines or change them. So you just need to be a little bit careful while adding them. But using this technique, hair sketching becomes very easier. So now I am using my neutral charcoal pencil to add a base layer. The process you're gonna see further is the technique which I use, and I draw my hairs the same way for all my sketches. Even if your base layer is not so proper, it's completely fine because further we are going to add more layers on it and it doesn't make any difference in the results. So don't worry much about it. So now using brush I am blending my strokes. Always blend in the direction you added the strokes. Now we will start off with some serious work. So first grab your soft charcoal pencil and add some strokes as I am adding. Make sure to keep a paper below your hand so that you can prevent smudging. After that, blend it using a brush. I always blend charcoal pencils with brush and graphite with cotton. Now using a fine tip eraser, I am adding some highlights. Highlights are a very important part in drawing realistic hairs. Now again grab your soft charcoal pencil and add some strokes. Now using brush, again blend it and add some highlights. If you find some areas lighter in your reference image, then you can just use neutral charcoal pencil for that specific area. Just observe your reference image and add strokes according to that. You don't need to be 100% accurate, just make sure the direction of your strokes and the intensity are similar to that of the reference image. I am also just adding strokes according to my wish, just following the basic direction of my reference image. After that, blend it using a brush. See, just after applying the first layer, the hairs are looking so much realistic. It is more easier and better way to draw hairs than a traditional way of first adding strokes and then highlighting it using a very fine eraser and repeating it. I don't want to say that traditional way is wrong, but I personally feel this method is more easier. You need to add highlights for this method as well, but it is comparatively easier. See, it has given us such a nice texture. So just repeat the same process for all parts of hairs. If you are drawing hairs at the tip, make sure to draw it thinner. Again blending it using a brush. I personally love drawing hairs. Now using a mechanical eraser, I am adding highlights. If you have Mono Zero or need eraser, you can use that as well. But if you don't have any, then you may purchase the one I have. It's just a 20 rupees Apsara mechanical eraser available in the local market. It also works good for beginners and practice sketches, and even you can use it in commission sketches as well. Now to make highlighted area lighter, I am using a white gel pen and then I will oversketch it using a neutral charcoal pencil. You can also avoid this process if you want. I am adding highlights. Now adding one more layer of strokes on it. You can never get the desired results in just one or two layers. You need to give your sketch time and keep on adding layers. I generally use charcoal pencils for hair, because they are very nice in creating hairs. Hairs are usually darker, and these charcoal pencils are also very dark, and also they does not shine much. So basically they are very nice in creating hairs. Now adding some baby hairs using fine sharp neutral charcoal pencil. Now repeat the same process for all other parts of hairs as well. Now this step is one of the most important step in drawing realistic hairs. Grab a sharp neutral charcoal pencil and start adding some individual random hairs at the corners. These individual hairs give the sketch realistic and natural look. So you need to add these individual hairs on each side. Don't add too much hairs, just a little bit. Now just shade these hairs above the ears using neutral charcoal pencil, and also draw some random hairs there as well. Now shading ears using graphite pencils. Observe the reference image carefully and shade according to that. Observation is the key in drawing any sketch or portrait realistic. It generally increases with patience. The more you practice, the better you become at your work. Keep on practicing on daily basis and sketch regularly to improve daily. It took me 3.5 hours to complete these hairs. So your realistic looking hairs are ready now. So guys, this is all for today's video. I hope you all enjoyed. If you haven't watched my previous videos and hyper realistic artworks video, link is available in the description. You can watch it from there. So I will see you guys in the next video. So till then, take care and bye bye.